Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Manette from CrossAmericas.com, where we help you to level up and show the world the best version of yourself. Welcome back, language learners. Whether you're gearing up for travel, enhancing your career prospects, or just exploring a new hobby, mastering English basics is your ticket to a world of opportunities. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on this amazing journey together. Let's take a moment to understand why it's so important to master this versatile language. English isn't just a language, it's a gateway to global communication. Whether you're traveling to a new country, networking with international colleagues, or simply engaging with English-speaking friends online, having a strong grasp of English opens up a world of opportunities. Furthermore, mastering English basics can enhance your career prospects, deepen your understanding of global culture, and foster personal growth. Imagine being able to understand your favorite songs, books, and movies in their original language. It's a game changer. Now that we've established the importance of mastering English basics, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the fundamentals. First up, we have the alphabet and sounds. Every journey in English begins with mastering the 26 letters of the English alphabet and understanding how they come together to form sounds. While some sounds may seem tricky at first, with practice, you'll soon become a phonics pro. Here are 3 tips to make the process easier. Number 1, memorize the alphabet in chunks. Break the alphabet into smaller, manageable groups. Rather than trying to memorize all 26 letters at once, start with the first few letters, A, B, C, and once you are comfortable, move to the next group, D, E, F, and so on. This approach helps in retaining the sequence and prevents overwhelming yourself. Number 2, use mnemonics and visual aids. Associate each letter with a memorable word or image to help you remember it. For example, you can associate A with apple, B with ball, and C with cat. Visual aids such as flashcards or alphabet charts can also reinforce learning by providing a visual representation of each letter. Number 3, practice regularly with activities. Incorporate alphabet learning into your daily routine with various activities. Write the alphabet repeatedly, both in uppercase and lowercase letters, to improve handwriting and reinforce recognition. Engage in alphabet games like word searches and crossword puzzles or alphabet bingo to make learning enjoyable and interactive. Additionally, listening to alphabet songs or watching educational videos can help reinforce pronunciation and letter recognition. Next, let's boost your confidence with common words and phrases. Whether you're ordering a coffee, I'll have a latte please. Could I get a cappuccino please? May I order an Americano please? Greeting a friend. Hi there, how's it going? Hi, long time no see. What have you been up to? Hey, good to see you. How have you been? Or navigating your way through a new city. Excuse me, could you please direct me to the library? I'm a bit lost. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest bus station? Do you know where Main Street is located? I'm trying to find my way there. These simple phrases are your trusty companions. Finally, we'll tackle basic grammar. While the sort of grammar might seem daunting, it's simply a set of rules that helps us construct meaningful sentences. From subjects and verbs to objects and prepositions, we'll break down grammar into bite-sized chunks for easy digestion. You can also learn more about sentence building in this video, building blocks of sentences, nouns, verbs, adjectives, and more about all English tenses in this video, grammar deep dive, tenses and their usage, and how to use punctuation in English correctly in this video. The power of punctuation, guiding your sentences in the right direction. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Listening skills are crucial for understanding spoken English. Immerse yourself in English songs, podcasts, and movies to familiarize yourself with different accents and intonations. Choose songs where the singer enunciates clearly and sings at a moderate pace. Ballads and acoustic songs are often good choices. Examples include Yesterday by the Beatles, Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen, or Someone Like You by Adele. Choose podcasts that align with your interests and language proficiency levels. TED Talks cover a wide range of topics, featuring speakers from diverse backgrounds. Listening to these talks can help improve vocabulary, comprehension, and critical thinking skills, while exposing learners to different accents and speaking styles. Or check out English World with Chris America's podcast and immerse yourself in the world of different accents, cultures, and adventures. Watching movies in English can be an enjoyable and effective way to improve your language skills. Comedy movies can be great for English learners as they often feature everyday language, humor, and colloquial expressions. Examples include The Hangover, Superbad, and Mean Girls. Drama films offer rich dialogue and emotional depth, providing opportunities to learn new vocabulary and expressions. Examples include The Shawshank Redemption, Forrest Gump, and The Pursuit of Happiness. Animated movies are not only entertaining, but also often use clear and simple language, making them suitable for English learners. Examples include Toy Story series, Finding Nemo, and Shrek. By the way, my favorite movie is Top Gun, because of its thrilling aerial sequences, captivating storyline, and iconic characters. Speaking skills are developed through practice. Read aloud, engage in conversations with native speakers, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Play a role-playing game. For example, call your favorite restaurant and reserve a table in English. Plan your reservation details. Practice pronouncing key phrases. Politely say hello and introduce yourself. Enter the reservation details. Listen and respond appropriately. Confirm your booking details and express your gratitude. Reading is a fantastic way to expand your vocabulary and improve your comprehension skills. Start with materials that match your proficiency level and gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. Here are some recommendations across different genres and difficulty levels. Beginner level children's books. Books like Green Egg and Ham by Dr. Seuss or The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle are written with simple language and can be enjoyable for beginners. Try graphic novels like Morse by Art Spiegelman or Persepolis by Marjane Satrapi, which combine visuals and text, making them more accessible for beginners. Intermediate level young adult fiction. Books like The Fault in Our Stars by John Green or the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling offer engaging stories with relatively accessible language for intermediate-leveled learners. Novels such as The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini or The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime by Mark Hudden provide compelling narratives with slightly more advanced vocabulary and grammar. Dive into classics like Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, 1984 by George Orwell, or To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, which offer rich language and complex themes for advanced readers. Explore works by contemporary literary authors such as Beloved by Toni Morrison, The Underground Railroad by Colson Whitehead, or The Goldfinch by Donna Tartt, which offer sophisticated prose and storytelling. Finally, writing allows you to express your thoughts and ideas in English. Keep a journal, write an email, or participate in online forums to improve your writing skills. You can also practice in the comments by sharing your thoughts about this video. As you embark on your English learning journey, it's essential to arm yourself with the right tools and resources. Language learning apps such as Duolingo and Rosetta Stone offer interactive lessons and quizzes to help you practice anytime, anywhere. And let's not forget the traditional approach. A good old-fashioned textbook can be an invaluable resource for consolidating your learning. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Dedicate a little time each day to practice your skills, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. Mix and match different learning activities, listening, speaking, reading, and writing to keep your learning journey dynamic and engaging. It's natural to encounter challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. If pronunciation trips you up, practice speaking slowly and focus on individual sounds. With time and perseverance, you will improve. If grammar leaves you scratching your head, break down complex rules into simpler concepts and seek clarifications from teachers or language partners. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Join online communities, attend language exchange meetups, and surround yourself with supportive peers who share your passion for learning. Let's make this learning experience interactive. I'll say a word and you try pronouncing it. Ready? Innovative. Now it's your turn. Feel free to engage with us in the comments below and share a sentence using the new words that you've learned today. Well, folks, we've covered a lot of ground today, from mastering the basics of English to overcoming common challenges along the way. But remember, this is just the beginning of your English learning journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning a language is an adventure filled with endless discoveries and opportunities. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Together, let's make mastering English an exciting and rewarding adventure. I will see you in the next video. If you want to learn more, go to chrisamericas.com. Bye.